Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shavonne and welcome. I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my wild and crazy story times or my eyeshadow tutorials. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, follow me on Instagram at Shavonne.Ritchie and my business page at Too Lavish Hair. Black Friday is coming up. There will be sales, and the only way you're going to find out what the discounts are or whether you need a discount code is if you're following me on Instagram. So today's tutorial, I want to incorporate purple and green. I love those two shades together. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so today we're going to be using two different palettes, and the first palette is going to be an oldie but goodie, and this is my Beauty Creations Elsa palette. The next palette we'll be using is the I Love Revolutions Pistachio Cream palette. So let's go ahead and start with this eyeshadow tutorial. I've already gone ahead and primed this eye. You can go ahead and do that right now if you'd like. I use concealer in order to prime my lids because I feel like it does the exact same thing. Makes the lid tacky so it holds the color a lot longer. And so y'all can go ahead and do that while I grab my brushes and then we'll get started. So the first shade we'll be picking up is this one right here. And like I always do, I like to pack my brushes and then tap them off. And we're just going to focus that right above the crease line or transition area. And we're going to pull that all the way up, almost to the brow. And then we're going to stop. So I'm going to go ahead and darken this up so we can get some intensity here. Because this is a really dramatic evening look. So I'm just going to use light circle. I feel like when I use light circles, it helps smooth and soften everything up. And you're less likely to have harsh lines. The next color we're picking up is this purple here. One thing I have to say about this palette, I really do love the purples in here because they're so intense. They're very rich purples. So what we're going to do with that is we're going to start right in the transition area and we're just going to really work that color in there. We want it to be dark. So this may take a little bit of time, but that's all right. I have patience. And what we're doing with this color is we're also going to pull it up. And that's going to help lighten it a little bit around the edges and fade everything together nicely. And what's not faded the way we want, we'll just take a blending brush and soften it up after that. So we're also pulling that color down onto the outer lid as well. Now I'm going to pick up a small tapered brush, and we're going to pick up the shade of purple here. And we're going to add that to the inner corner. We're going to leave the center of the eye blank for now. So we're going to add that in the inner corner. And then we're also going to put that underneath the lower lash line. So I'm just going to lightly pack that. And we're taking that all the way across. Now I'm going to pick up a blending brush and we're going to lightly work the top of this so we can soften up any harsh lines. And we're also going to pull that down below and lightly smoke out that lower lash line. Now we're going to go ahead and pick up I'm going to use a flat angled brush, and we're going to pick up this black here. And we're going to tight line the lower outer corner and the lower inner corner. Next, we're going to pick up the I Love Revolution Pistachio Cream Palette, and we're going to grab this shade here. And then we're just going to pack that on the center of the eye. I really love green and purples together. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I low-key think about the Joker off of Batman. I'm not gonna lie, low-key think about the Joker off of Batman when I mix purples and greens, but they work so well together. Okay, and once we get that to the intensity that we want it to be, I'm gonna grab another flat brush, and I'm gonna pick up that same shade, and we're gonna tight line the lower lash line, only in the center though. Give the eye a little pop of color. I really love doing halo eyeshadow tutorials like this, where you add the shade on the lower lid, the lower lash line as well. I think it's super beautiful. I love adding this color on the lower lash line right in the center because I feel like it really makes the eye pop, and it's absolutely gorgeous to me. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up that little small taper brush that we picked up that second purple with, and all I'm going to do is kind of like pull it across this green so it kind of fades a little bit better. Makes it blend together a little bit smoother. Just kind of tap it and do some little pulls on it, and that looks great to me. So next thing we're going to do now is add our eyeliner, and I use Revlon's Color Stay liquid eyeliner. I use the skinny one because I feel like it gives me more precise lines, and it's a lot easier for me to wing my eye out a little bit better. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we're going to add a little bit of mascara, and we're going to go heavy on the lower lashes. And the lashes we're going to be pairing with this look are my Scarletts. So this is Scarlett. She's my evening girls. Little wild. She's a little wild girl, but if you like to purchase your pair, I have my website linked down below in the description box, along with all the cosmetics used in order to create this look. And so let's go ahead and pop these girls on. Go ahead and place her where I think she would be perfect at. Once I figure out where I want her to be, I'll go ahead and start securing her down, which that looks pretty good to me. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab this outer edge and I'm gonna lift it up just a tad. And then I'm going to pull this inner corner all the way down to the lash line. All the way down to the lash line. And now I'm going to secure the center of the lash. Like so. So what I like to do before adhesive sets is go ahead and push her down a little bit on the inner corner. And then lift her up on the outer corner. To give you that feline shape. And that completes the look. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of my crazy wild story times or my eyeshadow tutorials. Also, go over to Instagram if you haven't already and follow me at Shavonne.Ritchie and my business page at Too Lavish Hair. Black Friday is coming up, so that's the only way you're going to know when the sales hit and what percentages or coupon codes you will need in order to get that discount price. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I will see y'all guys next time. Bye.